Amazon, the land of nature, the home of one of the biggest rivers on earth. The land of thousands of species, but the land of deforestation. The Amazon has a very big problem with deforestation. People from all over the world and from the own countries that have the Amazon come in there and think that it's their land to exploit and their right to take and chop down trees or find oil wells and exploit those. Big companies from all over the world are just realizing how precious this land is and how many natural resources it has, so they can take advantage of this. Recently, there have been 3 oil wells found in the Amazon rainforest, and human beings are exploiting them to its maximum. This will probably cause the Amazon rainforest to die more rapidly than it is already dying. And yet, with all of the deforestation issues, the locals remain untouched, and they don't get any profits from those businesses that are taking place in the forest. They run small businesses that show tourists animals or sell them arts from their tribes, or also take them to do activities like canopying or kayaking or fishing that correlate with the forest and don't affect it much as oil wells or chopping trees down for making paper or cattle or growing crops. What big companies are doing is taking the respiratory system from the world and destroying it by chopping down the rainforests, which produce most of the oxygen that we breathe. Locals are setting an example for those big companies to come in and set up eco-related businesses like eco-lodge hotels or canopying tourism or snorkeling, a number of things that can be done in the Amazon rainforest without damaging the forest. But meanwhile, the big companies are still damaging our rainforest and taking the lungs from our world. The government should help locals from the Amazonic rainforest help kick out the people that are damaging their ecosystem, the big companies from the exterior, and or help the big companies set up businesses that are ecological and that correlate with the forest and are not damaging it. By doing this, we're saving most, if not all, of the biodiversity that is left in the Amazonic rainforest. And there is no sum of money, no $1 billion, no millionaire that can match up the beauty that the Amazon rainforest brings to our world and to us.